Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can send money abroad with Wise. So basically, it is extremely easy to do this. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to your Wise account. From here, you then want to add your local currency and the currency that you want to send to. Now, don't worry if you don't have the currency that you want to send into. You can just navigate through the send button. From here, you then want to enter the Wise tag, email, or phone number. Now, if you're not sending into a Wise account, you can just click on the add recipient button. And basically inside, you then want to choose the country that you want to send into. Let's say that I want to send money to United States, so we are going to select the US dollar. From here, you then have the ability to find someone on Wise, their bank details, or upload a screenshot or invoice. Of course, you then want to choose the second one, which is going to be their bank details. In here, you just want to click on someone else. And right after that, we are inside the information on which you then have to enter the name of the person that you want to send into, full name of the account holder, the bank routing number, the account number of the bank, and from here, the account type. Choose the country. Of course, this is going to be United States. And from there, you want to make sure to go ahead and simply check every details. Now you have multiple options like ACH, Wire, and Swift. And so after making sure that all of the details are correct, it will then redirect you to enter the amount that you want to pay with, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you don't have a balance on your Wise account, you will then be redirected to go ahead and basically link a bank account that the money will be taken from. From there, the money will then be sent to the person on the details right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.